การต่อไปนี้
Oh Kabalen, it's me, Elsid Peko, and welcome back to my channel! It's my 4th day here in Bangkok, Thailand, and for today's video, I will be moving to my next hotel. So let's check it out! Bangkok, Thailand! This is heaven. For my lunch for today, I ordered this stir-fried pork with garlic on top and this Thai green curry chicken. So let's try it. The garlic flakes on top are so tasty. Let's try their green curry. Arun na. Bye! Kokong crab. Thank you. Kokong crab. Bye-bye. Ano naman kaya ang budol for today? My room is located here at 8th floor. This will be my room for tonight. This is the bathroom and toilet. And look what I've discovered. Yung bidet nila, guys. Kung gusto mo ng bidet na abot hanggang kaluluwa, mag-book ka dito sa iResidence Hotel Silom. Grabe, guys. And this will be my bed with a couch, smart TV, mini fridge, and 2 complimentary drinking water. And guys, look what I have on my view. Is the King Power Mahanakhon building. So later, pupunta ako dyan to experience the Skywalk tour. I'm here now at King Power Mahanakhon building. Sawadee krap. Mahanakhon Skywalk is Thailand's highest observation deck and one of Thailand's most iconic tourist attractions. Look at this view, isn't it amazing? I'm going upstairs to the skywalk. Daming tao, guys. At 314 meters high, it offers amazing 360-degree panoramic views of the city from a spectacular indoor and outdoor viewing area. You must try this activity if you want to conquer your fear of heights.
Just come here, lie down.
I'm here at Patpong Night Market. For my dinner tonight, I will eat mukata. It is a famous Thai barbecue, shabu-shabu style. Guys, this is really delicious. You should visit this everyday mukata and cafe. It's just near the King Power Mahanakhon building. Final round. Kaya pa ba? Kakayanin. Di ko na kinaya kabalin. Magpa-take out na ako para meron akong lunch tomorrow. So this is my hotel. And that's all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it because I really enjoyed it. I'm super full and I will now take a rest. It's my last day here in Bangkok, Thailand, and I really enjoyed my stay here. hopefully I'll come back soon. So tonight is my flight going back to the Philippines. But before that, before going to the airport, I will explore the city. I'm here now at Chongnonsi Station. I will go to Siam. Siam Paragon Mall is famous for its international food court. Let's try this pork and beef balls. So parang squid ball lang. Pero masarap yung sauce, di masyadong maanghang. And this mango sticky rice. Let's try it. So sweet. But nilagay nila ito kasi umuulan na. Go to Pratunam Platinum Fashion Mall. If you really love shopping, you must go to Pratunam area. Habang naglalakad ako sa Central World, papunta ng Platinum Fashion Mall, nadaanan ko itong street food stalls where they sell delicious food and drinks. Aroy Mac! Platinum Fashion Mall, nakita din kita. Yun. Go to Platinum Fashion Mall if you want to buy cheap and good quality clothes. This is it, guys. Ano na naman kaya ang mabubudol for today? So many bags and clothes. Deal, guys. 100. Budol for today. I will use this for my next travel. I bought this for 1,080 baht. Popcorn crab. I found a fake gentlewoman bags. So this is only for 150. Batak. I will eat muna before going to the airport. Nakakapagod mag-shopping pero worth it. So let's check anong mabibili dito. Oh my god, may kasoy. I decided to buy this pork barbecue with cheese, or what they call muping. Good crap. So I bought this guava juice. Let's try it. Let's try this muping or pork barbecue with broccoli, crab stick, and pork barbecue. Let's start this muping. Broccoli. Arun, ma. This is heaven. Here's guava juice. I'm already here at Suvarnabhumi International Airport and hindi pa open yung check-in counter. Time check, 7:42 Bangkok time, and as you can see, ang haba na ng pila. Kaya kung may flight kayo papunta ng Clark, pumunta na kayo ng maaga, or you need to allot 3 hours to make sure na hindi kayo may iwanan ng airplane. Time check, 9:33, and unfortunately, nandito pa rin ako naghihintay. Nasira daw yung system nila kaya hindi pa kami makapag-check-in. Sana hindi ma-delay. Okay, finally, after almost 2 hours of waiting, check-in na din. Thank you, Lord.